Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. As it's -10 outside, I've decided to do some bike DIY before the spring arrives. The stock rear fender is functional, but let's say it's not exactly winning any style points. So I bought a tail tidy kit which should completely transform the look of the bike, cleaning up the rear end with a sleek and aggressive stance. Okay, so this tail tidy kit comes with the electrical wiring connectors, some nuts and bolts, the license plate holder, and obviously the main bike mount. The build quality looks fairly good. Everything feels pretty solid, clean finishes, and looks pretty straightforward to install. Okay, so the branded electrical unit, which is used for the blinkers and the license plate light, easy to thread the wire through the license plate holder, and then just simply screw that to the holder nice and tightly. So let's talk about the benefits. Firstly, it drastically improves the aesthetics of the bike. It's lightweight, so shedding a bit of unnecessary weight is always a plus. And it's relatively an affordable mod that makes a huge visual impact to the bike. The license plate is neatly tucked under the tail, and the integrated tail light keeps everything functional while looking sharp. So the first part was pretty easy, and now it's time to connect the two bike mounts. So very simply, 2 screws, one either side, to connect the license plate holder to the bike mounting bracket. What I would say on reflection is that this is probably one of the early version aftermarket tail tidy kits. So probably in 2025 there'll be some better looking design versions available on the market. Okay, so here's the final version pre-built, all ready to go onto the back of the bike. Once the weather warms up outside, I'll go and do that. It's fairly quick and easy. So hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep riding, keep customizing, and keep enjoying those two-wheel dreams.